Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up billing in Google Ads and how to fix some issues you might face when adding payment method. So if you're new here, you are welcome. I'm your tech informant. I share tips like this on this channel, and if you love this type of content, consider subscribing. And if you are returning, thanks so much for coming back. Without further ado, let's get started. To set up billing for the first time in your Google Ads account, go to Billing and click Settings. This will take you to the new billing setup page. Mind you, some information you enter here is not reversible, so make sure they are accurate. Select your country. Then here, select the currency that corresponds with the one on your credit or debit card. But if it is not changeable like mine here, then ensure you use a US dollar denominated card. Under customer info, select your account type. If you are setting up the ads account for individual use, select individual. Otherwise, select organization. Enter your name and address here. It is not necessary to make it the same as the address on your card. Then you select how you want to pay. With automatic payments, you will be charged when your spending reaches $50 or 30 days after your last automatic payment, whichever comes first. While with the manual payments, you pay into your ads account first. Then your ads account will be debited as you run your campaign. Immediately the fund on your ads account is exhausted, your campaign will stop automatically until you fund it again. And the option you choose here is not reversible, so you need to consider which is better for you. Then here, enter your card details. If the address you enter above is not the same as your card address, then uncheck this box and enter the address on your card. Then agree and click Submit. This will take you to the billing and payment summary page, where you can see your balance and transactions. You can manage your payment method by adding new card details or remove the ones you have already. You can make payment by clicking the Make Payment button and enter the amount you want to pay. You can view your transaction here. As you can see here, I made a payment of $10 on the 24th of April. And as you run your campaign and you are charged for them, the details of the transactions will appear here. By clicking Manage Settings, you can edit your account nickname, address, and preferred language. You can see that some of the information here cannot be edited. So take note when you are setting up billing on Google Ads. Now your billing is set up. Finally, I would like to chip in this fix for those of you that your cards are being declined when you are adding a payment method in Google Ads. What you need to do is that make sure that the currency that is in your Google Ads corresponds with the currency in your card. That is, if your Google Ads currency is denominated in US dollars, make sure that your card also, the currency is denominated in US dollars as well. So if you're like in Nigeria, most times your Naira debit or credit card might be declined. So what you need to do is to open a domiciliary account with any of the banks and then have a card that is denominated in US dollars. If it's Euro, make sure that you open a Euro domiciliary account. Then that leads to another question that some do ask me. Which of the banks is better to open an account with? You can open your domiciliary account with any of the banks, recognized or legal banks in Nigeria. But from my own experience, I've been using Stanbic IBTC and Access Bank. And most often I do use Stanbic IBTC. I think that clears the air about your card being declined. So make sure that your currency, the currency in Google Ads, is the same thing with the currency in your debit or credit card. After setting up the billing and adding your payment method, you can now start your campaign. I'll be sharing more on Google Ads on this channel, so don't forget to turn on your notification and give this video a thumbs up if this video was helpful, and let me know in the comment section your thoughts about this topic. And as always, I'm Jonathan, your tech informant. See you in my next video.